everyone, welcome to today's science lesson. We were going to learn about alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, the three important types of hydrocarbons, and how to name their chemical structures. What are hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are compounds made up of only carbons and hydrogen atoms. They form the basis of many substances around us, fuels, plastics, and even oils. Depending on how the carbon atoms bond together, hydrocarbons are divided into alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes.
Let's start with alkanes. Alkanes contain only single bonds between carbon atoms. Because of that, they are called saturated hydrocarbons. Every carbon is filled or saturated with hydrogen atoms, with the general formula CnH2n plus 2. Examples: methane, ethane, and propane. To name an alkane, follow these steps. First, find the longest continuous chain of carbon atoms. This determines the parent name. Example: eth, prop, but, and so on. Second, add the suffix "ane" because it's an alkane. Third, number the carbon chain so that any side chain or substituent get the lowest numbers possible. Look at this example. The longest chain has 3 carbons, which gives the prefix prop. It's all single bonds, so we use the suffix "ane." So the answer is propane.
Next, we have an alkenes. Alkenes have at least one double bond between carbon atoms. That double bond makes them unsaturated hydrocarbons, meaning they don't have as many hydrogen atoms as alkanes. With the general formula C2NH2n, for example, ethene C2H4. And here's how to name alkenes. First is, find the longest chain that includes the double bond. Second, number the chain from the end closest to the double bond. The third one is, use the suffix "-ine" to show it's an alkene. And lastly, indicate the position of the double bond using the carbon number. Let's take a look at this example. The longest chain has 3 carbons, which have the prefix name of prop, and the double bond starts at carbon 1-ine, so the answer is prop 1-ine or simply propene.
Finally, we have alkynes. These hydrocarbons contain at least one triple bond between carbon atoms. They are the most reactive of the 3 types. With the general formula CnH2n minus 2. Example: ethyne, also known as acetylene, used in welding. To name an alkyne, first, find the longest chain with a triple bond. Second, number the end nearest the triple bond. Third, use the suffix "-ine". And lastly, state the position of the triple bond if needed. Let's take a look at this example. The longest chain has 3 carbons, which gives the prefix prop. The triple bond starts at carbon 1, so the answer is prop 1-ine or simply propyne.
And that's it. Now you know what alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes are, and how to name their structures using simple rules. Chemistry might seem complex, but with patterns like this, it is easy to see how molecules are built. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, science is everything.